Hello, I'm so glad you are back for another amazing recipe. I'm Ruby Day and we are making one of my favorite seasoning combinations. It is a sweet and savory meat rub. I love it because it goes on chicken, it goes on pork, you can even use it with beef. Any type of meat you want, this seasoning is perfect. And I love the contrast of the sweet and savory. Super simple. I know you already have everything in your pantry in order to make this, and it goes a really long way. I love it and I hope you do too. So we need 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, which I have right here. I love that caramelized flavor that the brown sugar brings. Then you take 2 tablespoons of salt and throw that in. Then we are going to take 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. I know you're gonna love it. It is amazing in this. I know it sounds odd, but trust me, it is amazing with any type of meat you wanna put it on. Take 2 tablespoons of onion powder and 1.5 teaspoons of pepper, black pepper. That's gonna add a spice to it. And 1.5 teaspoons of turmeric. You are gonna love the combo of cinnamon and turmeric. You're gonna wonder why it wasn't in your life before now. So throw that into the bowl as well. Now we are going to just kind of mix it all up, whisk it all up, get it really well combined. So we get all those amazing spices and seasonings just really put together beautifully. All right, so we have this seasoning done and combined and it looks amazing. Doesn't that look beautiful? I love the way the cinnamon and the brown sugar really kind of give it this warmth to it. So once you get your sweet and savory meat rub done, you can put it on any type of meat. Like I said, I put it on a chicken breast and just pulled it out of the oven. This is one of my favorite ways to use it. I actually make a batch of this and have it in my pantry, my cabinet, all the time in the kitchen, just because it is that handy no matter what kind of meat. Oh my gosh, yeah. I love that real subtle sweetness of the brown sugar. It's perfect. And then you have the combination of the cinnamon and turmeric, and it just goes on a whole nother level. I love how it just brings out this warmth to it. Got a little spiciness of the pepper, the salt, and that onion powder just seals the deal. It is stupendous. Actually, it's a great explosion in your mouth. I love putting it on chicken breast for a quick meal, have it in my pantry, pop it in the oven, and 30 minutes later, you have a fantastic, flavorful dinner. I love putting it on pork chops, pork ribs. I even put it in my hamburgers to season it just a little extra. I'm telling you, it goes for any type of meat, no matter what your flavor of choice is. I hope you love this sweet and savory meat rub as much as I love you. Mwah.